Ready.
You want to do the you want to do the intro?
I'll mouth it while you do it.
Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Stop. I can't.
You should keep that in there.
Oh, that's too much. It's because you opened your mouth.
I'm ready.
I know. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. Make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork.
Went a little fast. You hit the gas on that a little bit.
It's like a good look at you.
Threw my words
it's
off a
too
little
much.
bit, but I know it.
It's right. As you can see, I have a special guest today. Just some black guy here, Lawrence Turner, to help me out with this challenge. Today we're doing the ketchup or makeup challenge. And if you know Lawrence, then you know this man is an expert on ketchup. Okay, so we're going to be using his expertise to guess if it's a lip gloss or a lipstick or ketchup before I put it on my face.
I'm going for ketchup.
Okay.
I want it to be ketchup.
All right, guys. So if you guys are ready, I'm scared now. All right, I'm scared. If you're ready to get into this ketchup or makeup challenge, keep on watching. So this is the Mschf x Fenty Beauty ketchup or makeup challenge. Okay, so here they are. So it doesn't tell you how many, how many packets are ketchup, or if it's half and half, or there's, I don't know. Pick one.
All right. I ain't even going to, I was going to press it a little bit, but I ain't even going to do that.
I'll do that once you choose.
I'm going to look at the lumps. I'm going to look at the lumps a little bit. The definition in the packet itself. Some are smoother than others. We're going to pick the lumpiest one right here. Bop. And see what that do.
Okay.
I'm aiming for ketchup, guys. So there's 6. I'm gonna keep score.
So,
and if it is ketchup, I don't want you to wipe it off. I want you know them like layer fingernail challenges that they was
oh my
doing?
god, I have to
ketchup layer.
So if I guess it right before I open it, I don't have to put on the ketchup.
What?
If I guess it wrong and it's ketchup, I put it on and leave it on.
Okay.
This sucks. The package is really thick. You can't really. So I think this is not ketchup. I think this is makeup.
We're going for it. I didn't squeeze it. I don't think we should squeeze it. Let's just open it.
Oh my god.
No
All right, so I
squeezing.
think this is not ketchup.
I have a bad feeling that I want it to be.
Yeah, it's not ketchup.
Oh.
And I'm right.
Oh.
What do you mean? Oh, let's try it on though. Ooh, it smells good.
Does it smell like ketchup?
No, thank God. Oh my god, fucking.
That would be disgusting.
Useless product if I've ever seen one.
Because it's not ketchup. I'm right. 'Cause look.
It's clashing with the pink purple fuchsia you got going.
Well, it was a red lip liner and a brown.
Much better.
Feels nice.
So we're gonna leave that on. Matter of fact, each one you just gonna put on.
Oh my god.
If you guess it right, then you good.
You're
If
right.
you
You're
don't,
right. Okay.
no wiping it off to the
Okay.
end. All right, the next one I'm gonna choose since we ain't get ketchup, y'all. Here's my thing though. What if this pack is all makeup? I'm gonna be pissed off. We're gonna choose this
We
one.
try.
No squeezing.
Okay.
Let's get it. Drum roll for the ketchup.
I think it is ketchup. That means if I'm right, I don't have to put it on.
What? No, I don't like that. Okay, whatever. No, that's whack.
All right, but I'm not even gonna look. Stop.
What am I doing?
I'm scared. Actually, you do it.
I bet. Yo, I should put it on you.
No.
I should put it on you regardless of which one it is. Like, are you down for that?
Fine.
Oh no.
I ain't got no French fries if it's ketchup.
Huh? Alright. Duck face. Duck
That's
face.
not how I put on the gloves. Oh, ew. Ew, it's ketchup. It's ketchup. Ew.
Yes, it is.
Oh, nasty. You're not even good at it.
Lather that.
Oh.
Lather.
And it's cold.
And you can smell it
Oh
from a
my
mile away, bro.
God.
know
I
if
can't.
y'all-
My nose is burning.
Like I'm a.
Just no. I have enough.
A little bit more.
No.
A little bit on that top. Look.
Stop, Lawrence.
Damn, you looking
This shit
good.
is disgusting. Please.
Nah, you look good.
Ew.
Oh, you a fine ass.
Ugh.
You smelling like a Happy Meal right
I
now. Her
feel-
fine ass.
I knew it was ketchup.
We got one. Yo, that looks so crazy. Matter of fact, hold up. Stay right there.
What are you doing? What is that?
I got a McChicken.
No
right
way!
here. I'm about to rub this joint right on her lip.
That is disgusting. There's mayo on a McChicken. Ew. No, Lawrence.
We not sponsored for real. Yo, hold on.
No.
Yo, bring your mouth over here real quick. Yo, give me that mouth.
What do you mean by that?
Just the top lip.
I hate you. There's mad ketchup. There's so much ketchup on my mouth that I felt the ketchup come off, and the chicken barely grazed my lip. That is disgusting.
Delicious. All right, round 3.
I don't want to play anymore.
If it's makeup,
I can take it off.
you can wipe it off.
Oh, okay.
If it's ketchup, we
It's
layering.
another. Oh, the rules suck. My lips are burnt. It's vinegar and ketchup.
Burning?
They don't
All right,
feel
then we gonna go
good.
quick. I'm gonna choose
They don't feel good.
this one. There are 3 left. I don't know how I feel about it though. I don't
either.
know how I feel about it.
I don't feel good. Here, obviously this is your show.
I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna do this. This is what we doing. Shake it like a Kool-Aid packet. Get all of it down. You know what I mean?
Told you he's an expert. This is disgusting.
If it's makeup, I'm gonna hand this to her. If it's ketchup, she gotta bring that mouth to me.
What's wrong with you?
I gotta do a little dip. I gotta get a good amount of whatever. You know what I mean? And it look like you giving me that mouth.
No way! Ew! This one smells like old ketchup.
I'm sure one of them was expired.
You know the old ketchup that turns like really dark? Yo, you're ODing.
Yeah, they are kind of dark.
ODing.
Yeah.
Yo.
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah.
No, please. You don't have to empty the packet.
You're right. I still got some left.
No.
You're right. Yeah.
I don't want to play with you anymore.
Yeah. What are you doing? You gotta do your slow motion makeup.
I'm not doing a slow motion.
Do the slow motion eye blink at the end. Yeah. No. We got 3 more left. Now I got a bad feeling about this one.
A good feeling.
If I get makeup, she gets to wipe it all off, start from scratch, and put makeup on. But I don't want that. I want to see how many layers we can get.
I can't do it anymore. You're putting a lot. He's emptying the packets.
Right. What we gonna do is, I'm gonna get a little bit of my Kool-Aid shake going on.
Remember the beginning? You didn't want to touch it. You didn't want to.
Oh no, I'm not squeezing it. I accidentally squoze the first one, but I'm not squeezing it.
I don't know that that's. I don't think that's the best.
I accidentally squoze it. But I bet we gonna go with this one.
My eyes burn.
No.
What you mean, nah?
No. It's not burning.
How are you gonna tell me?
No. It's fine. Don't worry about it. It's fine. All right. Is this ketchup? All right. I gotta stick it all the way down. We're gonna get a nice glob of whatever it is. No pause. If it's makeup, I'm handing her the paper towel. If it's not, she bringing that mouth. And it look like I'm getting that mouth.
No way!
Come on, duck lips, duck lips.
I can't. This
Duck
is not-
lips,
not
duck lips,
fair. I didn't come here for
duck
this.
lips.
My lips are gonna fall off. They're burning.
This is ketchup.
They're burning.
Yep.
Oh, please.
Hold on. I ain't get enough on that one. Wait a minute. Nah, that one was kind of light. I ain't gonna lie to you. I gotta double dip a little bit. What the fuck?
I feel like
Hold on.
each pack is a different stage of expired ketchup.
Yeah. All right, that one's good.
Oh my god.
No. I see. I'm on your right side, so I'm neglecting the left side of that mouth.
I feel like it's all over the place.
ARiiED, you must turn to me a little. Stop running.
Oh, this is nasty.
Stop running. I'm gonna try to get it around the piercing, right?
That's disgusting.
Yeah.
You're never gonna do my
Boom.
makeup. You're never doing my makeup. This is disgusting.
We moving. We schmoving right now.
Yeah, fucking. My nose it stinks. My nose
We keeping score. Right now, Ketchup is up.
I'm losing. I've been losing.
I don't know if y'all noticed, but it's red for the theme of the vid.
And the new. Never mind.
And I might have something coming soon. So peep.
Oh.
There's only 2 left now.
My fucking lips are burning.
There's only 2 left. There's nothing else in here.
They're burning. I don't have to do both of them, right?
Yeah, you gotta do the whole pack. All right, look. Hopefully this next one is ketchup and the last one is makeup, so she can wipe it off and that be the last one. But if we real lucky,
I feel like you got ketchup all over my mouth.
huh? No, not all over your mouth. Only where the lips at. So, you wanna lick them?
I don't. You hear how I'm talking? I'm not even trying to lick them.
Close your mouth.
No.
Hold on, do this.
That's disgusting.
I'm
Lawrence,
jealous.
what's going on here?
Nothing's even over there.
It feels like it's like.
I'm
a
gonna
bunch of ketchup.
I'll zoom in the footage. You don't even see it dripping
It's
anywhere.
fucking nasty.
I literally locked it right to that mouth.
I hate you.
It's not even on the skin. You guys, I did fantastic. All right, y'all. We going with this one.
I did fantastic.
So by the density, I'm gonna go with this one. Finally made a choice. I have a bad feeling though, because this might be the end of the run. But let's get it.
I'm not putting. If the last one ketchup, I'm not putting it on.
What do you mean?
That's
literally
I'm not putting it.
literally
I'm not
what we've been doing.
No, because then we know it's ketchup. I'm not doing it.
But you have to.
No.
If it's ketchup, you gotta go on the mouth. If all of them are going on your mouth, whether it's makeup.
The last
or
one goes
ketchup.
on your mouth.
Why?
Because
if it's
the people
makeup.
want to see it.
No, they don't.
Yes, they do. They texted
They
me.
do not. They do
I
not
just
want to
got a
see a
text.
man wearing makeup.
Yes, they do.
Nope. They sure don't.
Yes, they do. I think you're canceled for that.
What?
I think you get canceled for that.
Am I? I didn't even think it. Well, rephrase, rewind. They don't want to see me wearing makeup.
Yes, I do.
Nah.
You'd be beautiful.
If it's no.
If it's no.
All right, let's get it. I don't like how that one opened. I'm feeling a little.
I don't like
resistance.
how that one's open. Please.
Feeling some resistance in that joint.
Jesus.
So if this is something else that
My
I don't
mouth
want it
is
to be.
burning.
Guys.
No way.
Guys.
No way. I'm not.
Guys.
No fucking way. No. Oh, thank God. This is it.
It's lousy ass lip gloss, bro.
Look how much fucking ketchup is.
Gorgeous, beautiful.
That's disgusting.
I like it, Picasso. Look at me. Look at me. Wait. We don't go too much in the mouth. You gotta put it on the outer layer like this, right? Because when she hit one of these,
pull up, Rusty.
it's gonna even out the shits. Boom, boom, like that, right?
What a beauty guru.
Boom. Would have never guessed it had ketchup on it.
You're awful.
All right.
No, I'm gonna put the last one on you, no matter what it is.
Nah.
Yes, no matter what it is.
I am not wearing makeup. If it's ketchup, put it on me. If it's makeup, you got it.
It looks like makeup.
That's definitely makeup.
So, how is it that I got all the ketchup?
That means I win. But you get what you wanted. You wanted makeup. You know what I mean? Win-win, right?
I'm sad.
Everybody get what they want.
My lips are still burning.
Nah, they're okay. No, that's fine. Don't worry. It's okay. Damn it. I wish we got all the makeup out the way first. It's just back-to-back slam.
It was back-to-back ketchup.
Ketchup just ran a train on that
I
mouth.
got one lip gloss, and then it was ketchup.
Gorgeous. And to give a hint of the red tint because of the ketchup residue that's left over.
Ew.
I ain't never seen somebody better.
I don't...
All in all,
No, I hated it. I regret this. I
this
don't...
was fantastic.
I hate it.
Because they had, what, 3 makeups? Wait,
It was half and half.
it was half and half. We just picked it in a nice order.
Really, nigga?
Well done. Next time, just have a 6 packet of ketchup, and that would make for a better video.
Yeah, so the lip gloss is nice. The ketchup, my mouth is still burning. And now I have too much lip gloss on. I'm just gonna block some. Nothing against your skills. It's just a lot.
Why?
Too much.
Is this ketchup?
Stop. Look.
Hold on, put some with it. You wanna hit this with me?
I don't wanna hit it with you.
Hit that with me?
No.
Same time.
Stop.
Same time.
I never wanted to ketchup again. He's eating the ketchup. That's it, guys. I'm not happy. I hope you guys enjoyed. Stop. Oh my god. That's it. No more. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give the video a big thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. If you want Lawrence back, I don't know. This is him and Raccoon are gonna get banned from this channel. They just don't treat me right. I don't know.
What am I really doing here? What made them do this?
I have no idea, but I saw it and I was like,
oh
you have
shit.
to do with me.
Bro, this joint says do not eat, bro.
the makeup. Oh, wait, do you not eat the ketchup? Are you
apply to lips? Do not eat ketchup. Wait, what the fuck kind of ketchup is this?
No, you're not supposed to eat any of it.
What is in the ketchup?
So this is the ketchup ingredients.
Tomato, corn, fruit extract. It's ketchup.
He knows ketchup. He makes ketchup.
Bro, it's ketchup. I don't know
but
why
it says
I can't eat
don't
it.
eat.
Wait. Gloss Bomb Universal Lip in shade of ketchup. Gloss Bomb Universal Lip.
I know what it says.
In shade of ketchup.
But we know that's ketchup.
Yo, that smells and tastes exactly like ketchup. It said don't eat it, but I ate it.
First of all.
So if I RIP, it is what it is.
It also has onion in there. Anyways, we're done here. I'm not.
Great video. It's quality content, 10 out of 10. This is why I'm subscribed and part of the Clockwork crew. Everything on my own.
I mean, I guess if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday. Like,
Clockwork.
We gotta go. You got it.
No. Thank you guys. See you next time. That's what. Thank you guys.
I don't care anymore.
See you next time.
I don't even care.
Peace.
There we go.